As a visitor walking Noe Valley's streets every morning, at whatever pace a leisurely walk allows, something fundamentally different starts to reveal itself about these sidewalks. Small patches of garden, tucked against the concrete, one after another, block after block. That pattern has a name. Friends of the urban forest, quietly at work across this neighborhood. From the low blocks in the east, up through the climbing streets to the west, from the flat stretches in the south to the rising slopes in the north, the valley keeps opening into small, shared gardens that belong to everyone who walks past them. A resident somewhere decided a strip of concrete could hold more than footsteps. Applied through friends of the urban forest for a sidewalk landscaping permit. Broke ground. The next block followed. Then the one after that. The permit is what connects them. Everything else stayed personal, each resident choosing their own colors, textures, species. Yet walked end to end, they read like one long thought, finished by hundreds of different hands. Aloe leaning into jade. Sage catching the morning light differently than the fog-soaked leaves 2 streets over. A hedge someone let grow wild until it became architecture. This valley reveals itself slowly, block by block, to whoever is willing to walk at its pace. Somewhere past the midpoint, the sidewalk widens into a corner that feels less like a garden and more like a small declaration. Then it narrows again. Then it opens once more, further along, different plants, same instinct. What holds this together is repetition. The same quiet decision, made independently, by strangers, for years. A city can make room, hand back a strip of its own concrete, and trust its people to do something worth walking toward. Noe Valley did. And it's still growing.